Let's talk about CPI on Solana, cross-program invocation. A CPI happens when one program calls an instruction on another program. Think of it like one API endpoint internally calling another. This is how programs compose on Solana. There are two functions for making CPIs, invoke and invoke signed. Invoke is the simple one. Your program creates an instruction and calls invoke with the instruction and the account infos. The callee program runs the instruction using the same account permissions the caller had. Invoke signed is for when you need a PDA to sign. You pass in the signer seeds, and the runtime verifies the PDA was derived from your program ID. If it matches, the PDA becomes a valid signer for that instruction. Here's what makes CPIs powerful. Account privileges extend from caller to cons. If the caller has a signer account and a writable account, the callee gets those same permissions. And if the callee makes its own CPI, the permissions pass forward again. There's a depth limit. The initial transaction starts at stack height 1. Each CPI adds 1. The maximum is 5, which means you can go 4 levels deep. CPI, the mechanism that makes Solana programs composable.